What's that sound? We wait until that sound and Buongiorno, come va tutti? My name is Muhammad Wais Iskandar and this is my friend Abdi. Okay, and today I'm back again on life@pc.com.
Okay everyone, welcome back. So
hey wait, I think I saw this shit before. You read it before?
No.
So why did you leave me? I miss you so bad, and I miss the way you make me smile.
It looks familiar anyway.
So today we have something very exciting. We have the new Xiaomi Beat 10T Pro. Yeah, last month I got the opportunity to go to the launch event for this phone. They announced the 10T Pro along with the standard 10T. But other than the introduction of the phones, they also introduced a new line of smart home devices, which was very fun. But
what is 10T?
It's the name of the model. That's all I'm going to say about it.
Thank you.
So,
okay.
Unfortunately, I didn't have much time to check out the other products, but I did have time to check this out. And first impression when I first got my hands on it at the event, I was very impressed. So now we have the opportunity to have the unit ourselves. So without any further ado, let's get into the unboxing.
You touched it before that, so I touch it now.
Okay, this should be simple for you to unbox compared to the last. Okay, compared to our last.
I don't have nails. Okay, that's okay, so again, designed by Xiaomi.
So what is in this box?
Damn,
Alright. Before we get into the phone itself, we're going to check out what else is in the box. You'll have your okay, it has a I think it's a headphone jack adapter. So it doesn't have a headphone jack, I am assuming.
No.
Okay, so this is what it is for. Okay, so we have your headphone jack adapter, your instruction manuals and warranty.
And Italian here.
And your standard clear case.
They give it.
Of course, they always give the clear case.
I don't think give. Oh wait.
I'm gonna have to censor that. Okay, so we have, oh, this is pretty. This is very pretty. For some reason I'm struggling. And that's not the thing I wanted to take out, but thank you. Yeah, so you have your USB cable here, and you have your SIM card adapter here, which I'm going to be using later. And we have your charging brick. It looks very nice. Look at that. Look at that. Pretty. Why is it not focusing? Okay, so if I brought your face, then it focused.
I hit my mind when I'm seeing it. It looks like
Never mind.
Okay, big. Okay.
So now for the phone itself.
Look at the camera though.
I know, right? 5 cameras? Is it? No, is it 4? Oh my god. Look at that.
You touched it like this.
You already touched it.
You're gonna look very bougie when you hold it.
What color did we receive?
Blue, I guess.
So the color that we received is called Lunar Silver.
Luna Silver. I'm colorblind.
So the Mi 10T Pro has a 6.67-inch display with an 85.2% screen-to-body ratio, as you can see. Look at that. So
Screen to body ratio.
it's basically the size of the screen
Oh, okay,
itself.
okay.
So according to Xiaomi, the Mi 10T Pro is next level flagship. The Mi 10T Pro has the new 108 megapixel flagship AI camera. Talk about Ultra HD, people. We're gonna test that out later, okay?
You can check all the pores, the pimples on your face.
Don't say that. They actually demonstrated the camera features at the launch event, and I was pretty impressed by the new features that they introduced to us. If you think 4K is cool, this is why they call it next level, because this can take up to 8K
Video recording.
Yes, 8K video recording, and when you want to take pictures from that video, it can take 33 megapixel photos straight from the 8K video. So the quality should be really good. Okay, let's try turning this phone on.
While he's struggling, basically they take everything good from their other flagship phone and putting it in one phone.
No, I don't think it's like from their phones specifically, but it's like everything that's good with phones right now.
They
Like,
put it in one phone.
I'm very excited to see what this one has to offer.
And according to the website itself, the Mi 10T Pro comes with a
5000 mAh battery, okay?
5000 mAh battery and fast charging as well.
Okay, let's turn it on. Let's turn the phone on, people. Mi, yes, 5G.
We're gonna play WAP.
No, we're not. Okay, so we finished setting up the phone. Look at that. Look at the screen. Okay, so that's the screen. Looks very pretty. Let's test out some apps, shall we?
Spotify, play WAP.
Maybe you want to test it since
Yeah.
you didn't have the chance to go to the event. Oh my god, the camera does look super HD, like ultra
You
HD.
know what? I'm not gonna try camera. It looks so ugly. You just smile like this. and that's how you smile like an outfit. Like what I said.
Okay.
Okay, now beauty mode is off. Can I?
See, you didn't need beauty mode. Oh my god, okay, look at the camera features, guys. It has Pro Portrait, Night, the 108 megapixel short video vlog. What does vlog do? So yeah, obviously like what I said, there's a lot to be talked about, but we're gonna save that for our review.
You have to watch it. Only did.
Alright, so first impressions of the phone.
Talented, brilliant, spectacular. What else?
Talented, brilliant, incredible, amazing, show-stopping, spectacular, never the same, totally unique, completely not ever been done before, unafraid to reference or not reference, put it in a blender, vomit on it, eat it, give birth to it.
So yeah, my first impression, I think I already gave my first impression at the event itself. I was very impressed with the new camera features and also everything new that's offered for the Mi 10T Pro. So I can't wait to experience it fully for this next 2 weeks. So if you wish to know more about the Mi 10T Pro, you can visit at their website at mi.com/my. Or you can stay tuned for our review at our website on live@pc.com.
Thank you guys for watching. Let us know what you want to see, what we do with the phone. Actually, you don't want to know what we're gonna do with the phone, okay? And then anything you want us to test for you to find out about something, share them in the comments, because why not, right?
Yeah, so anything you want to see us do with the phone, let us know. So again, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to follow us on our social media at live@pc.com, on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And we'll see you all in the next video.